Hello all. Let's start with a new chapter, family and its values. What is family? It is a universal and typically consists of parents like mother and father and their children. So it is a basic unit of a society. Let's talk about the different types of families in the society. Two common types are nuclear family and joint family. What is joint family? The traditional joint family consists of father, mother, and their siblings, father's parents, brothers, and sisters. The brothers may be married, so their wives and children are also staying in the same family. The members they have a share in the common property. Members live under one roof. All the members they eat food cooked in a common kitchen. They participate in common family worship. The common joint family is a patrilocal family is there, which means that after the marriage, daughter moves out to live in their husband's house, and unmarried daughters form a part of a joint family. The joint family is patriarchal family also means authority lies with males. They celebrate many social events as there are more members, there are more occasions to celebrate. Advantages of joint family. It encourages individuals to be cooperative and accommodating. The family takes care of old and helpless and unemployed members. In the event of death of the parents, the child finds adequate emotional and economic support, and it is better able to deal with economic ventures since there are so many people to contribute. While nuclear family generally consists of married man and woman and their unmarried children. In other words, the family with only parents and their children are called nuclear family. Now, various advantages of nuclear family. It encourages initiative, independence, and self reliance among the members. It encourages decision making among the children also, which generally does not lie when they are living in joint families. There are considerable privacy and opportunities for the members to interact with each other. So they have enough time for each other. Now, role of family in the holistic development of an individual. Role of family members is to give the protection. Means the parents, they give physical care and protection to their children, satisfaction of emotional needs. Socialization of the children takes place here. Because the members are there, especially in the joint family, so interaction with these members are very often. Flow of values takes place from one generation to the another. Role of parents is to give physical care and protection to their children. Their emotional needs are satisfied. Socialization happens, children are going to learn about their tradition, they interact with each other in the family. Role of grandparents is to give the security, especially when the parents are out of home if both of them are working. Similarly, flow of culture and values they generally takes place from older generation to the younger one because older generation is having patience and time for the younger ones. Now we talk about the issues which are concerning the girl child in our society. Girls are the pillars of the society. A small girl child can be a good daughter, sister, wife, mother. About the mankind consists of women, but they are treated as second sex all over the world. She has to play the second role to man, economically, socially, and sexually. Government of India are taking various steps to deal with issues concerning the girl child and they are to check the female feticide and infanticides. The Preconception for Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act was passed in 1994. early marriages of the girls was dealt under Prohibition of Child Marriage Act of 2006. Nutritional program for adolescent girl is taken care. For lack of education, the Right to Education Act in 2010 provides free and compulsory education to the children below 14 years of age. This comes under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 aims to provide protection to the wife or female from the violence at the hands of husband or family. With this, we have completed our chapter. We'll meet till the next chapter. Take care.